Perfect. Here's a step-by-step checklist you can use for starting your disability business in Hobart. 1. Decide your service in home support, personal care supported accommodation, community access, day programs, transport, mobility, allied health, therapy, assistive products, equipment. 2. Business setup. Choose structure, sole trader, company, nonprofit. Get ABN, register business name if needed, open business bank account, set up accounting system. Arrange insurance, public liability, professional indemnity, workers' comp if hiring staff. 3. Compliance. Register as NDIS provider if working with NDIS clients. Follow NDIS practice standards. Get worker checks, NDIS Worker Screening, police checks. Write policies. Safety, privacy, complaints, incidents. 4. Approvals and licenses. Check local council for premises approvals. Hobart City Council. Use ABLIS to find required permits. Ensure workplace meets disability access standards. 5. Funding and support. Apply for Business Tasmania advice. Explore state growth grants and support programs. Look at community NDIS grants. 6. Build your team. Hire trained staff, support workers, carers, therapists. Provide mandatory training, first aid, manual handling, safeguarding. Set up staff induction plus ongoing training. 7. Marketing and networking. Connect with local area coordinators, LACs, and NDIS planners. Join disability networks in Hobart. Create flyers, website, and social media presence. Build referral partnerships with hospitals, GPs, and community groups. 8. Launch and grow. Start service delivery. Collect client feedback. Stay compliant with audits and review. Scale services as demand grows.